BlackGuy123, and today in this video I'm just showing you my truck drive. It's a remote control truck. I just got it not too long ago, so I wanted you guys to see it. It's $30 and it's pretty good because you can go over rocks, carpet, mulch, basically grass too. So it might be expensive. You might think it's expensive, but it's actually a pretty good deal. So I'm just going to show you the drive. So this, to push it down, is go like forward, and push it up is back. And then this steers. So let's go. Now I'm going to try to get it back to you. So it's pretty easy driving once you practice it. So yeah, that's all for today's video, guys. See you in the next video. Like, comment, subscribe, and bye.